Hi, everyone. This week you are going to be working independently on some follow-up information about the Middle Ages. So what you're going to do is the first slide, you're going to watch this video and you're going to answer on the right-hand side. Remember, this is practice, but just like if you would play a sport or you have a hobby, you always play like it's game time. So remember, this information should be written elaborately, complete sentences using transitions from your planner, etc. Also, just another tip, make sure you're in present mode. That way you can easily hit play. So what you're going to do is you are going to answer this question. And on these questions here, this is pretty straightforward where you're going to look at this reading about each topic, and then you're going to answer the questions. Make sure that you remember how to pull an excerpt. An excerpt is like a clip or like a movie clip, but instead it's a text clip from the passage that proves this point. And then we are going to do the same thing on the power of the Pope, the same reading. Remember, complete sentences, restated answers. Also, you're going to do the reading on monks, monasteries, and universities. And of course, you're going to compare and contrast monks and friars using the same reading. Where this one gets a little bit different is you are going to do some research on an illuminated manuscript and you're going to answer the questions, but sometimes it's hard to see things that are off on the side. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the magnifying glass tool. Now in the speaker notes, I've told you this, to zoom in and out of each slide if you have trouble reading directions. So you're going to go to the zoom, you can go to 50% so that you can be like, okay, I'm going to read this information here. I'm going to click there and I'm going to read this information. You don't have to read all of this. You're just reading this passage, just this first page. Okay, and it gives you pictures. And then over here, it's really cool. It shows you how, if you click on this, it'll take you to a YouTube video on illuminated manuscripts. Now, keep in mind, some features you want to take note of is the closed captioning. So that way you can turn that on and then you could see the words as the video is
In the
going.
Middle Ages, parchment was used to make the pages of books. Parchment was made from the skins of animals.